Hi, Jay here at Kipper's Tractor Sales. Today I'm going to be showing you how we're going to use our 1705, the littlest compact tractor we have, and the PD90, the dirty hands, to dig some holes. Digging holes is easy with the PD90. There's no manpower involved. You just back up to where you have the hole marked at, lower down your 3-point, make sure the bit is straight up and down, engage your PTO, and then slowly push the drill bit into the ground. So when your PTO is engaged with the hydrostatic 1705, we can still go back or forth. So if the bit is getting off angled or whatnot, you can go back or forth to adjust it, even with the PTO on. It's a handy feature to have because you're not going to line up perfectly every time. So once I get the auging bit deep inside the ground, I'm going to bring it up and then go back down a couple of times just to make sure that I'm getting most of the dirt out of the hole that I possibly can. One of the ways you can store the PD90 or the PD100, which is a bigger series of the augers that we carry here at Kipper's, is that you can dig a hole in the ground and then leave the auger bit in the hole and then just detach your 3-point and your PTO and drive away, and it's stored in the upright position for the next time you need to use it. The PD90 is a great tool to have around the house. Not only is it great for digging post holes, but it's great for planting trees also at any other time that you're going to need a hole in the ground around the house. So if you're ready to tackle your daily jobs or your weekend projects, come in and see me at Kipper's Tractor Sales, and I'll make sure you leave with the right tractor and the correct implements.